Schneider Electric is very proud to introduce our all-new next-generation medium-voltage switchgear MCSeT. MCSeT is a new generation of digitally native 24 kV switchgear that use our EcoCare membership. What is EcoCare? EcoCare provides to our customer a 24/7 conditioning monitoring, but also predictive maintenance recommendation for our customer. MCSeT 24 combines powerful active digital features, connectivity by design, and a best-in-class digital circuit breaker, EvoPacT HVX, all working in harmony to deliver more uptime and fewer risks across a longer lifespan. As a global leader in medium voltage, we have engineered EvoPacT HVX with decades of experience to produce a circuit breaker that lasts up to 3 times longer than the previous generation. And at the same time, all critical components are continuously monitored to provide real-time health status and maintenance recommendation to our customer. Not only is MCSeT safe, reliable, intelligent and easy to maintain switchgear, but it has been also designed to help our customer to achieve their decarbonization goals to become net zero by 2050.